An education in electronics engineering technology from Clackamas Community College will prepare you for today's workforce. Our hands-on learning environment will give you the fundamentals in electronics, digital logic, troubleshooting, and schematics. Graduates enjoy outstanding job placement opportunities within the industry within a wide range of careers, including engineering technician, manufacturing equipment technician, field services technician, processors with large and small employers in high-tech industries, and many more.
Clackamas Community College has benefited us in a lot of ways, but in terms of partnership, they probably are one of our truest partners in the community among community colleges because they really do involve businesses and employers in conversations about the curriculum. They ask what we need, and they're responsive to the changes that we think are gonna do what we need our business to do. The fact that we have a relationship with Clackamas means instructors are really helping us identify the best student in their program for our particular business, for our company.
If you're interested in joining the EET or Electronics Engineering Technology Career Technical Program and you want to start your career, please feel free to give us a call.